Can't post in CARA app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that your CARA application is updated to its latest version on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to go back and then tap on settings and scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps, and here I'm going to just search for the application by scrolling down. You can also search by typing on it. So here I'm just going to search for the application. So here you can see the option of clear all data. Tap on that. So here you can delete all the data or you can just delete the cache. After that, tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have given access and toggled on the options of files and media and your camera as well. Now go back and use your applications of CARA. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.